episode of Back from the Future, and today is our Christmas Day special. Now I hope you've been biting into your turkey and festive foods or wherever else you're having today, and you're going to have a good time with your friends and family. Today got a nice little treat for you. We're going to be meeting Phil in his Fiero factory replica Viper. Now, back in these cars were produced by the Fiero factory in late 90s, early 2000s. Fun fact, I was thinking of actually getting one, but then I spoke to somebody who'd actually put one together. They told me that they'd had a very, very difficult time putting these kits together, and it was nice to see someone by the name of Phil, who we're going to see very shortly, who's actually put one together. So without further ado, roll VT.
Alright, this is Phil, and we are going to be doing a review of his Venom RT8 Dodge Viper replica. Phil, do you want to go through it with us?
It started out as Dodge Viper replica.
From Venom cars, yeah. I mean, which company was it?
This kit was done by the Fiero factory.
Fiero factory, right. Go on.
I stripped it all down completely when I took it home. Took all the Ford stuff off, the engine, V6 out of it. So I had a Camaro then. I bought a Camaro.
Similar to the one over there, yeah?
Yeah, Z28.
Z28 Camaro, yeah?
Beyond all serious state parts, I went and stripped it to use parts for this.
Okay.
I put the engine in, the gearbox, the steering column, everything, as much as I could. Even the wiring loom out the Camaro went into it. So virtually, it's a recycled Camaro.
Right, so you basically hacked up a Camaro, yeah, and made it into this Dodge Viper replica. So now, originally the Fiero factory were making these in what, the mid-90s to the mid-2000s, weren't they?
Yep.
And they were based on a Ford Granada, was it?
Yeah.
Okay, Ford Granada Scorpio, wasn't it? Yeah. With the V6 Cosworth engine in it.
That's the one.
And this is all fiberglass like the original, isn't it?
This was, when I first bought it, it was originally registered in 2004.
Okay.
But it didn't go on the road till last year.
Till last year?
The time it took me to build it.
Yeah, I mean, basically you'd stripped it from...
It took, as I was telling you, it took 8 years exactly to build, get it to the way I wanted it.
Right, and you got some unique features on this car that the original one doesn't have.
Yes.
Do you want to show us the power hood? Now guys, you're going to love this. Wow, now not even the original Dodge Viper can do this. Wow. Now inside there is the Camaro engine, yeah?
Everything there is all Camaro. The only other thing I also had to make that.
Oh, you custom made that?
The original one comes across here. The filter's there.
What's the capacity of this engine?
5.7.
5.7, right, okay. And BHP?
Reckon it's 275, 280.
275, yeah, 280, yeah. Absolutely stunning. And the interior you did yourself, but this one's automatic, right?
Yeah.
What's the gear, and the gearbox is at the Camaro as well, is that correct? Okay, and you got all leather stitching and everything, is that correct, yeah?
The only thing I had done by the upholsterers, I had the seats recovered.
Okay.
This I made completely from new.
Yeah.
That I altered from the original.
Yeah.
It's all round, it was just a square piece.
Yeah.
Door panels, I've made them.
And they open with the button under there. Wow, did you see that, guys? And that was a soft open. And to get a soft open from a KitCar is virtually unheard of, isn't it? And let's see how it closes with one finger. Look at those panel gaps, absolutely. Now, when you used to buy this kit, it didn't have panel gaps like that, did it?
This door panel, measuring from there to there, was an inch difference from one side to the other, originally.
From the Fiero factory.
I had to build all this out with fiberglass. A
lot of fabrication.
All the panels were wavy. Back panels all like this. Boot was the same. Bonnet was really wavy. I've had to do all that, get rid of it all.
Also, another unique feature this car has that the original doesn't have is electric windows, isn't that correct?
You could put them in, but it only closed to about there. But I juggled around with it a lot and I got them to go right down.
All the way down.
Yeah.
But am I mistaken that the original doesn't have any windows, does it?
Dodge Viper,
At the factory.
lift on and off.
Yeah, that's right, but no electric. But this replica has electric.
Yeah.
That is amazing. That is amazing. Can you start it up for us? I'll move your jacket out of the way, hold on. Give us a sec. Hold on. Here we go. Wow, that's a roar. That is a roar. That is beautiful. And as per the original, you got the side exit exhaust, haven't you?
Remolded them to the original.
Yeah.
But the original only has a small shape of pipe coming out here and a big bulge here. Cut all that off. Cut the original piece out. There's only like 3 ribs on. The real Dodge Viper had 5, so I put 5 in this.
Okay.
Put the bigger opening.
Yeah.
Done away with all this here. Done it the same. Tried to make these exactly the same as the Dodge Viper to look proper.
Yeah.
So I had to remold all them. Same with the wheel arches. Had to redo all them.
Basically, rebuilt the car from scratch, haven't you? You wouldn't mind giving the exhaust a little tap, would you? Wow, that actually sounds scary, and that wasn't even a quarter tap, was it? That was absolutely scary. AC? Air conditioning?
No, couldn't fit it.
Okay.
Couldn't get the pump off.
Ah, okay, okay.
And I couldn't put the unit inside the dash. Wasn't enough room.
Okay.
But I'm living in England. What do I want the air conditioning for?
That's true, you just take the roof off,
Take
don't
the
you?
roof off.
Wow.
So these, I've had to make all them.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
only just a flat sheet.
I mean, I'll be straight, that all looks almost like factory original. The way that's
well,
done.
it's strong. You can
Yeah.
sit, jump on it and everything.
Yeah. Not that you'd want it, but anyway. But it tracks a lot of flies, this colour, doesn't it?
Oh, terrible.
And do you want to talk quickly about the dash and how you made that?
The dash, I made completely. I bought blocks of, this styrofoam,
Okay,
the
yeah.
hard stuff. Stuck them all together and then just carved it and shaped it to the shape I wanted. Kept trying it on. Then I just fiberglass slowly, used as a mould, fiberglassed up. Threw all the foam away then.
Okay, yeah.
Then I recovered it with vinyl.
Okay, yeah, you put a vinyl cover over it.
The centre, that centre.
What's that centre console from?
That's out of the Mazda.
Okay.
Yeah,
Not that you could tell.
Round the scrapyard, something to suit that.
Not that you could tell. Not that you could tell.
Same with this. This is not from original.
Where are these seats from?
Camaro originally,
Okay.
because they were comfortable seats, so I stuck to the Camaro seats.
Okay. Wow. That is absolutely amazing. And like I said, it's got the power roof, just like the original, unlike the original, done to a very, very high standard.
Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. This is a taste of things to come. I'll be doing more sort of replica cars and also more retro rides for this channel. I'm going to see how that goes. Hopefully if you like it, and hopefully I'll be looking forward to seeing you very soon.
If you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell notification button and get notified when a new video comes out. Please leave a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, please leave comments and let us know what your thoughts and suggestions are for future videos.
And we will see you in the future, if there is one.